Today we're talking about Cyberlux, ticker CYBL, along with their plans to rebuild their stock price in 2022. Let's take a look at CYBL's stock chart. CYBL has been creeping back up since February 25th of this year. CYBL's 6-month stock chart with daily candles at the yellow line shows a level of resistance at 0.03 cents and a level of support at 0.0086. Remember that this is still a very risky stock that is heavily shorted, with an average of 45% of volume shorted over 5 days. So here, let's talk about an announcement Cyberlux made on Friday, March 25th about their first major European government contract signing for the Digital Platform Solutions division to deliver key software functionality for the judicial court system. But first, remember that OTC stocks are highly risky, so I only invest money in OTCs that I can afford to lose. High risk versus high potential reward. And remember, this is not financial advice, but for entertainment only. Hi, investing friends, this is Lynn, and welcome back. So let's go and review today's hot stocks. But first, if you could give this video a thumbs up in return for my efforts, it would be greatly appreciated. And while you're at it, subscribe. Cyberlux announced that the Cretix Group of the Digital Platform Solutions, or DPS business unit, has won a competitive tender to provide the judicial court system of Albania with new digital capabilities to modernize the court's public records and case management systems. The initial contract is valued at over $625,000 USD, and Cretix anticipates that its system will be fully implemented across all 38 district courts by the end of 2022. The system will provide the courts with real-time access to cumulative information about case processing and statistical information for both internal and public reporting on the nature and volume of the court's work. Enor Nakuchi, General Manager of Cretix Corp., a Cyberlux company, stated, "We have worked with local and federal government institutions to support the vision of modernizing existing systems to enhance government transparency and increase financial performance. This is our first entry into the $17 billion legal technology market, and we look forward to expanding across Europe and the United States." The Digital Platform Solutions, or DPS business unit, is implementing the Cyberlux digital platform strategy across global industries with a focus on delivering disruptive technology to both government and commercial customers, helping these customers make data-driven decisions, support integration capabilities, automate business flow, and provide business intelligence analytics. The DPS business unit has both world-class Platform as a Service, or PaaS, and Software as a Service, or SaaS, offerings. So this is all really exciting news. Before we get into another exciting Cyberlux update that I'm going to share with you, let's hear from Cyberlux CEO Mark Schmidt regarding their business unit forecast for 2022.
If you look at the performance of the business, again, 2021 was a remarkable year as we got the Project Alpha, or the Operation Alpha, out of project phase and into operations. And again, Operation Alpha, if you have not been following the company, is what we've termed the overall plans that we have for the business and the availability of opportunities that we then convert into both business unit assets and customer relationships. If you look at last year, we ended the year with $7.7 million in revenue. This year, we expect to be almost $45 million. And as we go through time, you can see that we are addressing really just a small market share of these enormous markets, but it is going to drive significant growth for the company. And by 2025, we should be in excess of $224 million in revenue.
You'll agree that Mark's forecast is looking good. Now it's important that you hear from Mark Schmidt about Cyberlux's impressive business roadmap.
We have, again, as I said, the Operation Alpha framework, which really encompasses our business roadmaps. This is where we are for this year. This is what we're working on as a collective set of business units, ranging from our digital platform solutions all the way through our FlightEye UAS group. I'm not going to focus on these too much detail. We'll post these charts on the website for further review if you would like. But you can see that we have a vast amount of activity across these business units. Truly exciting time, activity and progress in all these areas. And we're just really excited to see this company take hold and develop the way that it has in such a short period of time. There's now a lot of management focus on driving organic growth as well. So, this plan as it's laid out is going to always be balanced by the fastest way for us to scale, drive revenue, drive profitability, and drive synergy across our various groups.
Cyberlux roadmap is somewhat of an eye chart, but also impressive. Finally, let's look at a recent article outlining how CYBL exceeded their February revenue plan. Let's talk a little bit further about Cyberlux financials. So they also recently announced how they did in February. Per this news release, so Cyberlux exceeded its February revenue plan by 41% and records 11% month-to-month growth. So Cyberlux breakthrough platform as a service and software as a service solutions, advanced unmanned aircraft systems, cutting-edge lighting solutions, and renewable energy and infrastructure technology solutions, announced that the company exceeded its February revenue plan of $1.5 million by 41%, delivering $2.12 million in revenue for the month. For the first time in the history of the company's financial performance, the February revenue results exceeded $2 million and marked the 7th consecutive month of sustained revenue growth. Mark Schmidt said, "We are witnessing our advanced technology platform strategy yield the results we imagined when we put the Operation Alpha plan in action during Q3 2021. Their financial results also put CYBL well over $1 million ahead of their internal year-to-date goals for achieving their $45 million revenue outlook for the 2022 full year. For the 7th consecutive month, CYBL has exceeded expected revenue performance, and the continued growth they've seen from January to February is exceptional. I think you'll agree. During the last 7 months, CYBL has ramped up revenue growth to almost $12 million cumulatively and set the course to achieve their 2022 outlook and grow to the $2 billion company they expect to become. CYBL also stated each business unit overachieved the February plan with ALS plus 10%, UAS plus 12%, ITS plus 31%, and DPS plus 46% to plan levels. We also saw month-to-month revenue growth of 11% over January's revenue results. We formed a new channel business partnership with the ARG Group LLC to drive and accelerate the revenue growth of the FlightEye unmanned aircraft UAS solutions products, the advanced lighting solutions ALS products, and certain tactical solar power generation solutions. The ARG Group, ARG, is a service-disabled, veteran-owned small business and a HUBZone certified small business, which is a big deal when you get into defense, which I know because I was in it for 9 years. And they're also a leading provider of advanced technology equipment to the Department of Defense, federal law enforcement agencies, and U.S. allies. ARG has a global reach across North and South America and Europe, and delivers tactical solutions to the warfighter, including drone capabilities and advanced technology products for special operators. CYBL launched the digital platform solutions business development and sales efforts with the first wave of target companies and industries with the mission to drive both end-to-end PaaS and SaaS offerings to global government, military, and commercial customers. CYBL began to implement their strategic investment plan with their digital technology platform development and ongoing incremental investments in their 4 business units, digital platform solutions, flight eye UAS solutions, advanced lighting solutions, and infrastructure technology solutions to continue their drive to make Cyberlux a leading digital technologies growth company. CYBL's South American team completed the engineering plan for the 31-hectare renewable energy generation project and submitted to the Colombian government agencies for approval. The team is also in early stage development of their next potential solar farm in Manizales, Colombia area. As we already mentioned, February was a great month for the Cyberlux company and their shareholders, as Cyberlux posted the best revenue results ever for a single month and grew the business significantly across all 4 business units. And of course, Cyberlux is a digital technology platform company providing breakthrough digital platform solutions. And I did want to share this tweet with you today that I copied off of Twitter from Cyberlux. They're talking about a significant contract win for Cyberlux DPS Group, the Cretix team. I always love hearing from you, so please let me know in the comments below what your thoughts are and about any other stocks that you would like me to review. Also, remember to sign up for our newsletter so that you can be notified before videos like this come out. Now, go here to check out the videos in our playlist, Making Millions with Penny Stocks.